A very good morning to everyone tuning in this fine morning.
Yeah.
It is Friday.
Ah.
Singa marota kita kana singa mnani kwa bunga.
Yeah.
A lot of the workers are
Yeah.
getting paid today.
Right.
That's why it is a very good day for us.
Yeah.
So talanga sama ya zama talanga iki na nore singa ninga rabita baka kadaka.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Ini mnaka lebu tu bikim niket sarabekan dan nindo pata politiko main mata kana ni kuwa.
Yeah.
And ouch pa lagi show.
Good
Good morning. Good
yeah.
morning to everyone. You can see the weather. The weather. You can see the weather. Right here, you see the dark blue sky.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see the sunshine is coming.
Yeah.
Let's thank and give our hands together. Sometimes
Yeah.
some of us are unfortunate enough
Yeah.
to reach this morning.
Di na Sarah.
We are
Yes.
thankful.
Yes.
We have a breathe.
Yes.
Yeah.
We can feel. We can hear. We can eat. We can touch anything.
Yeah.
Yes.
We are fortunate enough that we are alive. Thanks up above
Right.
Yeah.
for
Yes.
giving us another chance, another day, another life
Yeah.
for Thanksgiving.
We say to all the taxi drivers and all the drivers, bus drivers, minivan drivers, maybe going down to the west.
Yes.
This morning, we heard from Mari Karasakasaka going down to Singatoka
Yes.
for the Coral 7s that there was an accident in Pacific Harbor.
A very big accident.
A big accident this morning. Sa kira ngono kira namuning kagarauni. Nandabri tolili ana buru bito kani mamuring apa binaka nanontal lawan ni ngawni sala. Okay, we say binaka to Karwa TJ.
Right.
And Namatakendai, John Kumar and all the squad and the family in Barara Valley Singatoka, Motoloa, Brother Baby Doves and LT1230. Kapag mibitala may site to niya no suri korbo.
Oh.
Suba. And nontangon baro tengo. Wir kita ran driver ni basi manesa sa pagara.
Dombula.
Taxi. Wir kita ran driver ni basi may nabuli kuno banua. How many bus company in the north?
I can Paramod,
Parmod.
Dalip,
Vishnu.
Vishnu. I don't know, still here or no, the northern bus.
Oi.
The northern bus usually go to Mbasonga and Wunibau.
Oh.
I don't know,
Right.
still going now or,
Oh, okay.
or no.
And to all the passengers tuning in
Yes.
this morning.
Coastline.
Oi.
Good morning. This one to
Oi.
Sabu.
Right.
Yeah, for Lambasa only
Yeah.
Paramod, Dalip and northern bus.
Right.
I know.
Ano na kami tapal may sabu batiki na kada to may vidular to seven may Australia and he was calling his wife yesterday.
Whose wife?
Oh, tawalin to may sabu. Okay, Robino calls kita batiki non lady bale. Ya kris betul kon to shot ki non lady bale. O sinikila non lady bale na beto kay liu en basi ni ndawilew.
Right.
O sa non lady bale batak kon telefon. O ko senta kamay. Nanong kung gabo ka sa tulog kay. Baka nang gabo ka ukila. De sa sile mo rajini bal na talibun sa ano na tabale apa kina kada to may nebidula
Right.
o siya sarchu may nabunin betsi Apollo may Australia
Oh,
and
tupula
mata
binaka.
ko bikin kita ngolo tu na nek ni andra
Niandra.
din mata binaka may no
Ya, bayar talaga ni Bertona Bubaler to siyambol to kaminggo.
Iyo.
Ta Gabriel Ermasi nunggu nana Iba Andi Reida.
Right.
Nunggu boy na bitalay nawasa pati kay Siko Ermasi.
Iyo.
Arto siya mabulis arti kaminggo may sabu-sabu.
Iyo.
And mata ka binaka hindi
there was one topic we talked about this morning. I
Yes.
would like to
Yes.
well we can to na bitalo
Right.
let's share our thoughts on that. Okay, na talanong ko membalata na laziness
Right.
na budesa di ba madal tamanda what is budesa?
We asked this question this morning.
Iyo.
Laziness.
Iyo.
We asking who is laziness? Which part of our body create laziness?
Right.
Yeah.
How does laziness grow in someone's life?
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
And how laziness
Yeah.
will be alive in somebody's
Right.
entire life?
So sara kadib sara nga enayada tamata budesa.
Right.
And the name been given
Yeah.
to one person.
You see,
Yeah.
for my explanation,
Yeah.
laziness, it's not a talent.
It
No.
is not a talent.
It's not
it
a
is
gift.
never a talent. It is
Yeah.
not a gift.
It's not a lifestyle.
Right.
It's not a daily living.
Right.
It's not a organ.
Yeah.
Right.
Organize.
Organize ko rin na song ko. It's not
Yeah.
a criteria
Yeah.
or a feelings
Yeah.
that live in someone's
Yeah.
to be called a laziness.
Right.
person.
Laziness for me,
Yeah.
it's on your head.
Right.
It's not a seasonal thing.
Iyo.
Yes.
And it depends on how you raise
Yeah.
nature
Yeah.
him in your life.
Wait.
Tiko thalo iko.
Iyo, because
Yeah.
if you see laziness,
Yeah.
nanguna nga pakan demeni kinoko ya.
Yeah.
When you are
Yes.
vandemena,
Yeah.
Right.
He becomes
he
fancy.
become a fancy and he become a sole breadwinner
Lifestyle.
in your life.
Right. Di nasara. Di
Iyo.
nasara.
O kaya kami sa may lewaiko,
Iyo.
it's become a sole breadwinner in your life. Iya. Kaya kaya kasama ka demeni ko ya. Because
He's a foreigner.
He's now,
he's not
he has a magnetic force.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what you're trying to say, yeah?
Yeah. He got
If you preserve it, if you allow it to be part of your life,
Yeah.
then it will be there.
Yeah.
Because laziness,
Yeah.
if we search it, it is like the ability, you are unwilling to do any work, yeah?
Yeah.
Physically,
Yeah.
right? So, like, there are some factors that causes laziness.
Laziness.
So, nakain, to pagabuna na puti sa.
Yeah.
So, nangauna, ninta may dakadaka, ganda yan resibya.
Right. Right.
The time to sleep, normal time to sleep is 8 hours.
Yeah.
But we only have 2 to 3 hours of sleep. So our body
Yeah.
is not fit to do certain physical activity.
Okay.
Because it's tired, eh?
Yeah.
Like ikaw isang mga tingoy na ngomo. And ang sutumaikin na nabudesa. Namumbese na biya bakay tabi-taki ko.
Yeah.
And so nadakadaka, ito doon mo nang karaba.
Another factor,
Right.
another
Go-
factor
go.
of laziness. One
Yes. Yeah.
is when you are unfit
Yeah.
or
Right.
unhealthy.
Yeah.
Right.
You
Too much
are
eating.
Yeah, too much eating. And be careful of what you put inside your mouth.
Right.
Right.
And be careful of what you put inside your head.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And be careful of what you put inside your esophagus.
Sa mouth nga rin yung esophagus.
Because it will contribute to your health
Yeah.
Right.
system
Yeah.
that can slower your body rate.
Right.
Body what?
Body rate. And the ambera na mo
Right.
taka and your blood vessels move slower
Right.
and you will become
Malfunction.
non-function.
Yeah.
Right.
That's when the brain is non-function,
Yeah.
when the body is not in multi-skills,
Yeah.
you are unable to withstand or fight against this virus,
Yeah.
laziness.
Wala na.
Tinatawag
Utata
ako,
ka.
tinatawag ako.
Esa mo, okay, naboso ko na laziness, siya nakago na Buddhist ha, is affecting our young kids nowadays.
Right.
Eh?
Yeah.
Sa do tuko ni may libro sa bola-bola na Facebook, sa libo nga na Buddhist ha.
Right.
Sa libo nga na tuitaw ni. Baka
Buli
mo
mga
na
nga
koro.
na sir, eh?
Iyo,
Yeah.
baka mo tolo ko man din na koro.
Right.
Late.
Yeah.
This word laziness
Right.
Buddhist
It's all in the head, eh?
Iyo.
Na laziness, it's all in the head. So, mga nga, yan resibya.
Iyo.
Ngunyan ko na. Matagal ilay. Kaya tayo nga na to, satu ni bititi.
Right.
Right.
It's all in the head.
Right.
Right.
Nakangambita nung pagkasama o
Yeah.
30 kiko kina.
Yeah.
So siya nga, sar ngunyan ko na nga, sar mode.
Yeah.
So siya nga, so ngunyan ko na.
So we come back
rayara.
to what Nemesis
Iyo.
said. Eh?
Right.
If you allow Buddhisa or
Yes.
laziness to be part of to lead you,
Yeah.
of course, kami mga fancy.
It
Right.
will overrule.
Iyo.
Your judgment
Iyo.
and everything.
Doon mo kami na.
Right.
Okay, I would like to say good morning to the three
Musketeers.
boys. Three Musketeers, John Sanrawesi Kakaramu,
Iyo.
Tim Subinambuka,
Iyo.
and also to Marika,
Iyo.
Lesumene Valu, bona si dini baby na batu.
Wow!
Tabale.
Sagira!
Iyo, tabale Marika.
Lesumene Valu.
Lesumene Valu, bona
Wala
si
si
dini
Dini,
baby
baby
na
na
batu.
batu.
Iyo.
Kumaluku.
Pulang na tanga.
Okay, last one.
Right,
Talk
right.
about this morning. Go, Vicky, na kata warong ulmay.
Right.
The lice, the lise.
Yeah.
How the lise
Who?
become a part of our, what you call it?
Of hair system.
The hair
Okay.
system. The hair jungle forest.
If you start this lies,
Iyo.
konalise,
Iyo.
the lies of the kuts. Alam na kuts?
Kuts ka?
Yeah.
The needs and the lies.
The needs and the lies.
Yes.
If you see the needs and the lies,
Yeah.
they only grow, they only alive in someone
Yeah.
if he or she is alive. Kung yung bula nga bikenda ng bula.
Dono binaka.
Right.
Dono binaka.
Ninduwa nga sa takali,
Right.
he will never be there.
Right.
Oy.
Because they are only grow if
Yeah.
they have their food there, which is blood. They only can eat the alive blood.
Okay.
Nandra ni Kenta,
Yeah.
ninda siyang bula.
Tamatambula.
Bula.
Iyo.
Nindo e salenga if somebody passed away, you can able to see him
Right.
growing there because they are fighting against them.
Yeah.
Even though you said, "Hey, no blood vessel in our hair," no, they got a vein, the system too that help them to grow.
Iyo, dinasar.
The hair here.
The small
If
one.
the small one,
Iyo.
if you take a hair, put in a microscope,
Yes.
you can see the different layers they have
Right.
in their veins.
Iya.
The different part which they study in the biology and everything, the science.
Iya, iya.
So they are grow too.
Iya.
If you see them, they grow.
Yeah.
That's why they come here. They stand on the stamp of our
How
hair.
santo sudah gua tutu.
Iya.
When the Messi passed away, will pass
Yes,
away.
yes.
The time that will pass
Right.
away.
Hey, kuat apa
We'll
tu
just
pasal?
we'll dengan footpath, and we get the blood from all the cows and all the pigs and pump it there.
Pekam
So,
bila.
yeah, so all the kutu will go to him.
Kutu.
Mela pa mermentar ya mi biyaw.
Irlay pa mo tagi ko tali.
Mula na ka.
May nabatu yang may tonga. Sa mo may namataka ni kuwa. Bila may natin na ite. Isa.
Ano na,
Namaram
kapay na.
na. Right. May kaya nanumito na maram na tinana sa gaya. Rabeta pula talento na yung bakilang-ilang nila.
Happy
Mula ni kuwa.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Iya.
Nabuti sa talaga ako kasi nga ni talent di.
Siya nga.
Kaya karo talaga minta daw karo na talaga nabuwasan daw tukuna.
Iya.
Kaya bakaw na tukuna ti ubendua. Ngone budi sa si turang budi sa si marama budi sa nanuman na po sa mana.
Iya.
So nang una sa lepa buno lito na budi sa baletan di ko sana di ko sabu tukuna tunga bi ko budi sa.
Iya.
Ngone budi sa.
Iya.
Kaya tiri panta kendo sa budi sa tukuna bi ko. Ngone daw zaka.
Iya.
Iko na ngone kokoa, iko na ngone daw abing karabi. Iko na ngone daw job.
Sulu lumbal.
Positive chiko. Positive chiko. Nakakadami lang
Melang
ako
ako na sululumbala no nil bembaw. Sini bakal. Iya.
Right.
Tanto daw tapi tali man tang ori to indo asaba ka sa negative to na nambula sa sini
Iya.
bengan iti.
Iya.
Pati kindo ay dandon mi
So sa
sipula
to sa ngungunyan ko tukul chikuba iko tamata mama kutu.
Iya, mama kutu. Nang kami sa ko na po
Siya
sa
na,
mula.
iyo. Siya no iko gori.
Iya.
Sino iko? Iko kento na kawan daw dakadak.
Gori.
Orto nang tutu ready mbuya. Kwe job rawa.
Iya.
Kento turangan daw dakadak.
Kuno mabuhay ko na kutu.
Iko na kutu gor na ngunundra.
Bila boleh besar beto kari kari muni porong boleh mayar ronga porong buguri kuah maru tangi cikana muni mato lag di pakata tangi ronan rau bikim ni na itu betul betul be susu be rolu benda dapat kau bina kati ronga da boleh aga kina na be ka be beli ti rolu benda ana bun lesi bun
Right.
sandonia
Ito
la kurmundu
Ella the morning.
Engon dai mesi rongo da bikim ni kan